What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the CountryBoyModz. Y'all, I got another one for you on the Durango. A lot of y'all probably been wondering, or most of y'all probably already know how to do it, but I ain't seen the video, so I'm gonna put it out there. This video is gonna be pretty much showing how to turn off your DRLs. Say for instance you at a drive-in movie or anything, or anywhere you at, you wanna post up, or whatever, this how to turn your DRLs off. Dodge got it right. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it real quick, and here we go. Cut those on and off. Go ahead, go in the vehicle. Alright. Once you get to your settings, it's back out of here. You want to go to your main screen, go to your Uconnect apps. Once you get there, you want to scroll over to your settings, go to lights. As you can see, all your selections are here. And you want to go to daytime running lights. You can cut them on and off, just like that. That's how you do it. Quick video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Peace out.